Saturday, February 14th, and you'll notice that Bombardier has moved. It is about 11 o'clock, and we just picked up Donnie Lindell so he can do some daytime supervision here. And I brought some ATF fluid for Dad so they can top off the transmission. They might end up actually draining the entire transmission and just put brand new stuff in again, just so everything flows out. And so yeah, this is moved in the shop. Dad just had it running again, but it would have just so that they could get everything flowing into the transmission. We'll see if he'll start it up again for us here again soon. When I came in, he was talking to Donnie about progress, and I guess they got everything done that they need to get done for now, I guess. And then next is more sanding and painting. Peter was really happy yesterday with all the progress, and so we took him out to dinner, a bit of a celebration, and but we'll check in with Dad and Aidan here and find out what's going on. So they got her fired up here again to just keep on monitoring the oil and guess the timing and whatever else. Aidan's getting the hang of doing what he's doing there. He's really enjoying it. And I think they're just checking the transmission fluid right now. Donnie's supervising over here. So is the little dog. And I'm just cleaning up the shop. So I'm going to let these guys keep on doing what they're doing and get the full report later. Dad's just inserting the center console piece for the steering wheel now that everything is done there. Because once you put that in, you can't take it off. So they found the cap for the steering wheel and installed that. And I think they're just working on the brace for the seat right now. Dad's gonna fire it up shortly, get it into gear, all gears, and we'll check right back in.
We're gonna fire it up and move it a bit.
Okay.
Come over here just for testing. We got the gas tank fastened in there, air filters on and everything.
Yeah. Okay. Is that how that air breather is supposed to look like? There's no outer case for it?
That's it.
Okay.
Maximum air.
Okay. So yeah, these guys are gonna fire it up and
we checked for leaks. So I'm gonna start it, back it up, put the brakes on, come ahead.
okay. Dad's got it in reverse. And he's putting it back into drive. Reverse again.
I don't know if you can see, but the shifter's in neutral.
Yeah.
Drive.
Okay.
Reverse.
Okay.
Brakes. Park.
Okay. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Okay. So November 7th in the shop. February 15th today. Other than the paint job, what else has to be done?
We got to do a little work on the floor.
Yeah.
And then clean the whole headliner.
Right. Yeah.
And clean the seats and whatnot, put them all in.
Okay.
And then I gotta go for sanding and ready for paint.
Okay. So all major mechanical is now done. Short of anything that does crop up between now and when it leaves the shop.
You never know until the first test run.
Yeah, but Dad has to reinstall the fuel tanks again, and but it's he might even do a test run here probably in the next week or so. We'll find out. But this has moved, and it is under its own power. So quite a bit of work done here in the last 3 months, and this is the Snow 75, and this was just a shell of a machine when we took it out of Peter's yard, and Peter delivered it here. So Dad's pretty happy, Peter's happy, Aidan's happy, the dogs are happy, cats are happy, everybody's happy. So we'll probably check in with these guys later on in the afternoon here. I have to run to town, get some stuff, but yeah, pretty happy with what's going on here. All right, I just came back from town here, and these guys have been doing some sanding now that the machine is going forward and backwards and left and right and up and down and everything like that. So this is the last of the tasks here. Like I mentioned on the earlier video, Dad has done all major mechanical work, and so they've got to do the last of the task here, which is a dusty, filthy task, which is the sanding and priming and painting. And they've actually got quite a bit done here already, I can see, just by the amount of dust on the machine. So this is likely going to be an Aidan task, because I don't foresee my father crawling up top there, or Peter. So Aidan's busy drilling something over here, and he's been cutting a bunch of stuff here. Oh, he's cutting the wood trim. So one of the things that Dad had mentioned earlier on today here was they got to clean the inside panel up top there. So I think that's just a cleaning with spray 9 or something. But you can see they got the cushions back in. I think Peter's probably going to invest in some new cushions. He usually does. But these are the original ones that came out of here. And so, yeah, they're going to do whatever they're going to do here over the next couple of days, and try to make it as pretty as possible. But they do actually have quite a bit of sanding and painting left to do. And so that's what they're up to.